Hi friends, this is Ann and today I am going to explain my database lab exercise 6, that is to manipulate the scheme objects using views, index, sequence, etc. So as you can see here, my first question is to create a view to display the customer name, order ID and quantity from the tables. So here on the SQL command line you can see I have used the command as create view and then the view name v1_151 as select customer name, order ID, ordered quantity from customer and order quantity, that is my table name. So the view is created. Then to display those I have used select star from the view name, so I can get the data displayed here as this. Then I have created a materialized view, that is create materialized view v11 build immediate refresh force on demand as select customer name, the column names, customer name, order ID, ordered quantity from the table names, customer and ordered quantity. So you can see the materialized view is created. Now again I have created another view. Now in the second question, as you can see, the second question is to create a view v2 to display the order ID, order date and the date of delivery, for which I have again used the data, that is create view v2, create view v2_151 as select order ID, order date, S name and order from the table, order 1 and supplier. So my view is created. Then I have created a materialized view, that is create materialized view v22 build immediate refresh force on demand as select order ID, order date, S name from order 1 comma supplier. So you can see the materialized view is created here, and select star from v22, and then you can see here my my view has been displayed here. Now moving on, similarly I have created another view v3 using the same commands, that is create or replace view 3, and then I have displayed this as, again I have created a materialized view. Now the fourth one is to insert a row in the above view. Is the view updatable? If yes, is the updation reflected in the base table? For that I have used create materialized view sample 1 for update as select star from customer. So you can see the statement is processed and insert into sample 1 values. I have inserted some values into the sample 1. So you can see one row is inserted, the execution time. Then select star from, so you can see the new row has been created here. Now again for the next one, for the question 5, I have used delete a row from the above view and state what happens to the other views from which it was created. So I have used the command delete from sample 1 where customer ID is 05. So again one row is deleted, you can see. Then question 6 is to create a bitmap index on the gender field of the supplier table. So create index gender underscore index on suppliers gender. Gender is the column name. So index is created. Now the next is to create a B tree index on the quantity attribute of the order line table and evaluate the performance, which I have used create index in on order quantity, ordered underscore quantity. So you can see the index is created. Again to create a sequence I have used the command sequence, create sequence IDO underscore sequence incremented by 1, start with 100, max value 200, no cycle, no catch. So you can see my sequence is also created. So this is the end of my lab exercise 6. Thank you.